to Shelly's Cuisine. Summer's almost here and everyone knows I love to change my sunglasses. I'm getting ready for the summer and I'm going to help you to get ready. And today we're going to make mango sorbet. All right, let's get started. So we have 2 mangoes that we have cut up, okay? And we have 2/3 cup of sugar. And we have 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lime juice. Lime, not lemon. Okay, that's it. Gonna have to blend this. And just to let you know, we want a consistency of a little more liquid. Okay, so we'll blend it a little bit more. You can blend it on high. Okay, that'll do it. So we have a consistency of thick but not too watery. Okay, and we have 1 cup of fresh peeled pineapple chopped small, and we're going to throw our pineapple in. We're going to mix this up. Okay, and I need to taste. I need to make sure I have enough lime, I have enough sugar. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So we have an ice cream maker. You have to take your ice cream bowl and you have to have your ice cream maker ready, and your bowl has to freeze for 4 hours. So don't think you're going to make sorbet or ice cream without having a frozen bowl. That's important. Anyway, all we're going to do, we are just going to put this mixture together. And you could put less sugar if you want. You know, you might not like the sugar. Yeah, I like a lot of sugar. Okay? And we are going to do this in the ice cream maker for 30 minutes. And then we'll have mango sorbet. So, see you back when it's ready. Okay, our mango sorbet is finished. And the hubby decided that he wants to taste. So, we'll let him taste. Okay, hubby. So, this was 30 minutes. And this is our mango sorbet. So, normally we can put it in the freezer and let it freeze a little bit more if we want. But we're going to put it here and smooth it out. We don't want to waste any because it's good. Stop drooling, Cliff. Okay, we need something harder to get the rest out because we don't want to waste any of our mango sorbet. Okay. So, we would normally put this in the fridge and let it harden a little bit more, but the husband wants to taste. And so, mango sorbet it is. Get a spoon, husband. Okay.
Go. Moment of truth. Mmm. Absolutely delicious. I like the chunks of pineapple.
No sharing?
No.
Can you believe this?
Well, here we go.
It is
wow.
good. Especially with the pineapple chunks.
Wow.
Thank you for visiting Shelly's Cuisine today and making mango sorbet with us. We look forward to twisting and twisting with you. Tune in next week to find out what we twist next. Also, remember to subscribe. Visit our website for the recipe. shellyscuisine.com.